Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add strips animation in PowerPoint 2021. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Then we want to add strips animation. At first, select a text box. You can select any object. Then go to the animation menu. Now we want to add the strips. Select the drop down menu. We can see here not available the strips. Now we go to the more interference effect. Then we can see here the strips. Then click OK. Then select the preview option. And we can see here the strips preview. You want to add this text box strip, select the text box and go back again the interference. Then select the strips. You can change the duration. Now I make the duration 1 minute. Then select the preview option and check the preview. Now we can see we added the strips animation easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.